It's an age-old question that many have asked. What makes Utica Comets fans different? Why don't we go find out? We're here with Chuck. He's the tailgate master, Phil. Let's take a look right here at the bar, at the TVs. They've got college football on. They've got their Comets gear on. They're ready to rock and roll. Chuck, what's on the menu today for starters?
Today we have sausage patties, we have hamburgers and hot dogs, we have grilled chicken, we have jambalaya, and we have some sausage and peppers.
Here at the dessert section of Chuck's Tailgate, they have a delicacy that only Utica offers. And when I moved here from Michigan, everybody said, Joe, you have to try a half moon. I don't want to try a regular half moon. I want to try one of these. These are Comets half moons. Take a look. Yeah, we got to get one of these. Doesn't get any better than that. Go Comets.